Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lizzie and I'm super excited making this video today. I'm going to be showing you all how I was able to achieve this look, and if this video helps you in any way, don't be shy to thumbs me up, subscribe, like and share. I love you guys so much. So I'm going to be priming my face today with my Zaron facial primer. I'm just going to apply it on my face and make sure that I rub everything in, and also make sure that it dries off properly. And also for my foundation today, I'll be using Fair Up foundation. I'm just going to write up everything, every shade of products I used in the information box below. Please do make sure you check it out. After applying your foundation, all you want to do next is to use your beauty blender to blend everything in. You really need to do this process because it's very important in makeup. Blending is very important and it's necessary, so you really need to take your time and blend everything into your face so it also matches your skin tone. I'm also going to be using my Zaron facial concealer. Like I said, I'm going to be writing all the shades in the information box below. Please don't be shy to look them out and know what also goes with your skin tone. I'm just going to apply this concealer underneath my eyes, on my jaw, on my forehead, and I'm also going to apply it on my nose so that it forms my contour, and also underneath my cheekbone. And when you're done doing this, all you want to do next is to make sure that you blend everything in. I'm just going to go in with my beauty blender, and I'm going to make sure that I blend everything into my face. So this time you're not blending inwards, you're going to blend everything outwards. I'm just going to make sure that what is on my face matches what is on my neck. That's the color on my neck. So you really need to take your time to blend your concealer, your foundation, and everything you're going to be applying on your face properly so that it really comes out nice and beautiful. So that's what I'm going to do right now. And for my contour today, I'm using my classic contour palette to contour the sides of my nose because I really want to make my nose pointed today. So I'm just going to contour the sides of my nose and to make sure that it really comes out nice and beautiful. I'm also going to go in with my banana setting powder. I'm just going to set underneath my eyes, underneath my cheekbone, my jaw, and my forehead. Just the same places that I put my concealer before now. I'm just going to apply my setting powder there and wait for about 5 minutes for it to set before I clean up everything. So I'm just going to apply this in these areas that I've called and wait for it to set properly. I really love this setting powder so much because when you apply it, it does not make your face wet or anything. It just lets everything dry into your face and it really comes out beautiful and nice, and there are no flashbacks. That is really why I love this setting powder. So I'm just also going to apply it on my nose to form my contour. So while I wait for my setting powder to set, I'm just going to draw my brows. And if you've not watched any tutorial on how I was able to draw my brow or how I draw my brows, please do that, because I have a detailed tutorial there showing you guys how I draw my brows every day. So I do appeal to you guys to watch that tutorial because it's really going to help you. I love you guys. So right now I feel like my setting powder is set, and I'm just going to wipe off everything from my face. I'm just going to use my Bobbi Brown brush to wipe off everything from my face. And while doing this, you have to make sure that you do it properly so that it really comes out nice. Your face has to match and has to blend with your neck. So it's very important that you take your time in doing this. You really just have to take your time in blending every product you have on your face so that it really comes out nice and beautiful. So that's what I'll be doing now. I'm still going to go in with my classic contour palette. I so much love this palette because I've been using it for years now and it doesn't cause any flashbacks at all. It always comes out nice and beautiful. So I'm just going to go in with my classic contour palette again, and I'm going to make sure that I blend everything down towards my neck area. And also for my concealer, I'm going to be using a lighter shade of classic concealer palette underneath my brow. I'm just going to go in with that nice and smoothly, and I'm also going to blend properly down towards my eyes. Okay guys, so recently I was able to get my own Morphe eyeshadow palette. Yay! I love this eyeshadow palette because it's highly pigmented. Like most of the times you don't really need to use your eye primer for this eyeshadow to really come out nice. I am so much in love of this eyeshadow. So I'm going to be using dark shade as my base color, and also I'm going to be going in with red as my transition color. Also I'm just going to rub that in nice and smoothly. And for my primer today, I'm using P.Loius primer. I am going to be going in with this as little as possible because this primer is really expensive. So I'm just going to go in with that just with a very little amount. And still on my crease area, I'm going to go in with a light shade of pink and also a darker shade of pink to make this eyeshadow pop and to make it really come out nice and beautiful. So I'm going to be showing you guys the colors that I use. For my eyeliner today, I'm going in with my Million Pauline eyeliner. I'm just going to line my eyes so that my eyes can come out nice and it can really pop the way that I want it to. So I'm just going to take my time in doing this so that this can really come out nice and beautiful. And I'm also going to make sure that I line underneath my eyes also so that it comes out really nice and lovely. So this is how I always do my everyday makeup. So usually whenever I want to apply any lip stain on my lip, I go in with a dark shade, or I go in with my eye pencil first on my lip before I go in with the dark shade of lip stain and then a lighter shade of lip stain in between my lips. So that is what I'm going to be doing today. I'm just going to go in with the shades and also going to take my time so that I apply it nicely on my lips and so that it comes out really good, just so that it comes out the way that I want it to. So I'm just going to be doing this. I am just going to go in with my blush and also going to go in with, wow, look at the way that is, it's really coming out nice and I love my work. And I'm also going to go in with my Face Beauty highlighter. I'm just going to go in on my cheekbone so that really comes out nice and so that it pops the way that I want it to. Well, I hope you guys love this video. If this video helps you in any way, don't be shy to thumbs me up, subscribe, like and share. Just make sure that what you have on your face, it's not different from what you have on your neck, and also make sure that the contrast should not be too much. I love you guys so much, and if this video helps you in any way, don't be shy to thumbs me up, subscribe, like and share. And I also want to see you guys in the comment section if you've not watched my previous videos on how to apply makeup, how to draw brows, and also how to tie a lip. Please do that. I really want you guys to learn. I love you guys so much, and I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.